Hello friends, here are some important questions about Kerala state. Let's start. 1. Who was sworn in as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala in May 2026? Answer C. V.D. Satheesan. 2. V.D. Satheesan has continuously represented which legislative assembly constituency since 2001? Answer B. Paravur. 3. Prior to becoming the Chief Minister of Kerala, what key constitutional role did V.D. Satheesan hold from 2021 to 2026? Answer B. Leader of the Opposition in the Kerala Legislative Assembly. 4. The Kerala Legislative Assembly, Niyamasabha, consists of how many elected member seats? Answer C. 140. 5. Which district stands as the largest in Kerala, by both total geographical area and number of local panchayats? Answer C. Palakkad. 6. In Kerala, which district has the highest population? Answer C. Malappuram. 7. Who was the first Chief Minister of Kerala? Answer B. E.M.S. Namboodiripad. 8. Kerala was formed on which date? Answer C. The 1st of November 1956. 9. High Court judgments and election petitions concerning Kerala's legislative constituencies are primarily handled under the jurisdiction of which High Court? Answer B. Kerala High Court. 10. Where is the Kerala High Court located? Answer B. Kochi. 11. The Kerala High Court serves which state's duties? Answer C. Kerala and Lakshadweep. 12. What is the capital of Kerala? Answer C. Thiruvananthapuram. 13. Kerala is known as? Answer B. God's own country. 14. Which sea lies to the west of Kerala? Answer Arabian Sea. 15. What is the official language of Kerala? Answer D. Malayalam. 16. Which dance form is famous in Kerala? Answer C. Kathakali. 17. Which festival is widely celebrated in Kerala? Answer B. Onam. 18. Which spice is Kerala famous for? Answer B. Cardamom. 19. Which bird is the state bird of Kerala? Answer B. Hornbill. 20. Which animal is the state animal of Kerala? Answer B. Elephant. 21. Which city is known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea? Answer B. Kochi. 22. Which hill station in Kerala is famous for tea gardens? Answer B. Munnar. 23. Which district of Kerala is known as the land of backwaters? Answer B. Alappuzha. 24. Which is the highest peak in Kerala? Answer A. Anamudi. 25. Which national park in Kerala is famous for lion-tailed macaques? Answer B. Silent Valley National Park. 26. Which two states share borders with Kerala? Answer A. Milnad and Na. 27. Which classical music tradition is popular in Kerala? Answer B. Carnatic music. 28. Which famous temple festival is celebrated in Thrissur? Answer B. Thrissur Puram. 29. Which is the literacy-rich district often called the educational hub of Kerala? Answer B. Ernakulam. 30. Kerala is a leading producer of which plantation crop? Answer C. Rubber. 31. Which famous beach is located in Kerala? Answer B. Kovalam Beach. 32. Thalpeti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Kerala? Answer B. Wayanad. Thanks for watching.